So now let's see how we can apply the photocopy filter inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the photocopy filter, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here and then go around over here onto artistic section right here. And over here you can see that photocopy is an option. And once you do that, you can see that you get the photocopy effect where edges are detected, as you can see right here. You can change around the mark radius, as you can see right here. You can increase and decrease it to get the traditional photocopy look right here. You can change around the sharpness around over here to get details around as you like, or decrease out the detail as well. You can change around the percentage of black right here or percentage of white right here, just like this, to go around and get the detail level that you want. You can also work around with opacity, as you can see right here, decrease and increase out the opacity as you like. You can go around over here and then let's say, for example, you can go around and merge it out right here, just like this, or you can go around and lighten only and get the details as you want. You can go around and see the before and after right here in preview, and you can work around with the split view just like this as well to see the before and after as well. If I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have. As you can see, the photocopy filter has been applied over here in GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.